Welcome to your weekend forecast for Scotland from the Met Office. Quite a lot of cloud around, but the rain is finally easing from the northwest, spreading further south. A damp night to come across the far south of the country, but the rain clearing from the central belt. One or two showers across the north, but generally turning drier. The winds easing as well. But later in the night, through the early hours, the rain will start to spread back north and get up towards the central belt by dawn. With the cloud, the rain, the misty conditions over the hills, it will be another very mild night in the south, but further north, a very different night compared to Thursday night. Temperatures are likely to drop well down into single figures. Some sheltered glens may be actually not far off freezing to start Saturday. So a much chillier start here compared to Friday morning. In the south, though, it will be a grey start to the weekend. Outbreaks of rain and drizzle through the central belt. Fairly quickly, that rain should be petering out from the south, and that rain then spreads back northwards as we go through the day across the Highlands into the Western Isles, but nothing like as heavy or as persistent as the rain has been over the past couple of days. A bit of patchy rain will spread its way northwards across the Northern Isles come the afternoon, but generally turning drier and brighter as the day goes on. Could be a bit misty and murky at times on the east coast, but we could see a bit of sunshine poking out here and there by the afternoon. The winds, nothing like as strong as they have been either, and still coming up from the south, so bringing mild air. Temperatures across slowly in the borders, 14, 15 degrees, perhaps even a little higher in one or two spots, and even where it's cloudy, temperatures still above average, 12 to 14 degrees Celsius. As we go through Saturday evening, any patchy rain across the Northern Isles and the Western Isles should tend to fizzle away, so generally dry. Quite a lot of cloud thickening up at times down towards the southwest. Some mist and fog is possible through Saturday night and into Sunday. Certainly the possibility of a bit of har at times in the east coast may stay fairly grey in Shetland. Later on, the possibility of a little bit of showery rain into the Western Isles, but most of the country on Sunday will be dry, and again it should brighten up in most places with a bit of sunshine. A bit of a breeze along the coasts, but as the winds subtly shift more in from the southeast, it'll be the southwest where we see the highest temperatures, 14, 15 degrees on the west coast, maybe 16 in one or two places, and it will be cool on the east coast with a bit of a breeze, particularly if we do see any of that har. But still, these temperatures are above average for the time of year, so it is a mild weekend. Things could be on the change as we go into next week. For more on that, stay up to date through the weekend by following us on social media.